And welcome back. It's now time for your Midday Sports Roundup.
It's left to be seen whether or not Davian Ferguson will reunite with Theodore Whitmore as part of the coaching staff at Mount Pleasant FC following a stalemate in contract talks on Monday afternoon with Portmore United. Based on a highly placed source on the matter, there's a standoff between Portmore United and Mount Pleasant for the release of the coach, despite Mount Pleasant announcing on the weekend that Ferguson is back at the St. Anne-based club. Ferguson, whose contract was not renewed at the end of June this year after Mount Pleasant lost to Cavalier in the Jamaica Premier League final, was subsequently contracted over a 3-year period by Portmore United. That contract is set to run until 2027. TVJ Sports understands that Portmore United will only facilitate Ferguson's departure if the contract is paid up in full. Englishman Steve McLaren took charge of his first training session as head coach of the Reggae Boys team on Tuesday, following his appointment on August 1 to take over the reins of the squad. A number of the overseas-based players arrived on Monday in the island, including Amari Bell, Captain Andre Blake, Damian Lowe, Bobby Reed, Demarai Gray, Deshaun Bernard, Joel Latiboder, and Jamal Lowe. Lowe has replaced Aston Villa winger Leon Bailey in the squad after Bailey was ruled out of the CONCACAF Nations League matches against Cuba and Honduras due to injury. Bailey sustained a hamstring injury in the English Premier League on Saturday. Bailey has not featured for the Reggae Boys since November last year after taking a break from the national team before his selection was suspended by the JFF. Lowe last played for the Reggae Boys in March of this year against the USA in the Nations League semi-final. The 3-day National Junior and Senior Table Tennis Championships will serve off on Friday, September 6 inside the National Indoor Sports Center. Newly elected president of the Jamaica Table Tennis Association, Ingrid Graham, is anticipating a large turnout of players who will be vying for top honors.
It would be huge. We want the whole Jamaica to come out and to see what we here at Table Tennis is offering to basically to the world and to the nation, and to let them to know that table tennis is still alive and going just the same.
And that's it for your Midday Sports Roundup and concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.